and I haven't defined any of the variables like, oh, I didn't even apply the script yet. So neutralbot, continue. Okay, so I haven't defined player and I haven't defined controller either. We don't even have a controller. I was getting ahead of myself. So let's add a character controller. Drag the robot to the character controller now that we have one. And drag and drop player. So that'll help us with the distance measurement. And now let's fix our character controller. Radius. Let's move him out pretty far. Okay. So look, he's already running away. And if I get closer, he keeps on running away. Our player isn't even moving anywhere. Up the speed. Up the speed even more. What's going on here? Player animation, robot controller. Let's try simple move. Still not moving. Okay, you know what it is? I didn't multiply move direction by speed. So move direction times speed. Okay. Set it back to 20, see what it does. If I go to around 300, he'll start to move. Alright. Now our guy's trying to run away from us. See, whichever way I'm facing, he runs away until he gets to that distance. Now that I'm close enough, he starts running away again. Now let's go into the animation. We'll turn it to loop. There we go. Now he's running away. Barely. Okay. So we'll up the run speed. Well, not that much. 20. This has to be 300. And this has to be 20. Okay. So now he runs away from me. But he doesn't stop running, even though he's staying in place. So we need to fix that. Okay. So now if the AI status is idle, it just breaks. It doesn't, there's nothing to call in this function. So what we need to do is call animation dot crossfade idle. There we go. Now it's idle. So now he doesn't know I'm here. He's aware. Then he runs away. Not here. He knows I'm aware. Runs away until he doesn't know I'm aware. Until he isn't aware anymore. So now what we can do is create a prefab and call it neutral bot. Drag the robot on there. Delete the robot. Okay, so let's get all of our prefabs into the prefab directory. Keep it a little bit organized. Okay, and now let's make it so some of the neutral bots aren't fast as the other ones to get some realism. So player, and we're gonna make this run speed 10 and this one 15. Okay. They know I'm aware. Now they're running away. The one on the right seems a lot faster, but it also works to his disadvantage. Alright. So you can just keep on adding neutral bots. Some can have like different gravity settings, and like this one might be aware at a better distance, so he's gonna run farther away. Here, let me put player in there. So he's gonna run a lot further away than the others, just because he's gonna know I'm aware more than they are. And you can also do one where he doesn't get scared until you're right up next to him. So he's taking off. These are just hanging out. But he's not going to be scared till I touch him. If I can. There, let's try that. This one's not even registering. Okay, let's delete them. Add another one. Okay, now he's working. Okay, so he's not going to be scared till I'm right there. Till I'm like right up in his face. What's going on with this guy? Oh, I get it. So let's get all our neutral bots way away from our character. There we go. See, he didn't have a default animation playing. So notice how like right when I'm up next to him he takes off. And that's about it for this section. And I just showed you how to make the scene, throw in a light, make our camera follow our player, and then add some realism through just changing simple numbers. And it also showed you can just add a main color to make our bots different from each other. Like we could make this bot red, purple, yellow, anything to make them different. So yeah, just once again, I just showed you how to make them run away and make them go different directions based on what you're facing. So go ahead and file, save scene, and call it 1.